Are you a gamer or content creator looking to upgrade your audio so it doesn't sound like this?
He's won. He's won. He's won. Push, push, push. He's won.
They're never won, by the way. Maybe you just do a lot of virtual meetings and don't want your message lost because of how bad your audio sounds. So no matter if you're a gamer or a streamer or just somebody that has to sit on those Zoom calls all day long without end, the Tonor company says they have the answer to your problems and it won't cost you an arm and or a leg. So let's put them to the test by taking a look at the Tonor TC30 USB microphone that they sent me for review. Now, just like all reviews on my channel, no money has exchanged hands. They did send me the product to review. They get to see the video when you do, and you'll get an honest opinion of this USB microphone, and they'll get to see it at the same time. So let's get into it. The Tonor TC30 is a USB microphone with the cardioid pickup pattern. That means that it picks up sound well from the front, however, reduces the noise pickup from behind it. Now, the Tonor TC30 microphone is compatible with desktops, laptops, Macs, and PS4s. But since I don't have a Mac or PS4, we're going to focus on desktops. The Tonor TC30 comes with a stand, a shock mount, USB cable, and a pop filter for those plosives. You know, plosives. And setup is a breeze. All you need to do is connect the stand, add the pop filter, connect the USB-C cable to the microphone, and connect the USB-A cable to your computer, and you're up and ready to go and let Windows take care of the rest. Plug and play, baby. Now you're all set to start using the microphone. As for usage, this is where a few things are missing. And by a few, I mean two. There's just two things missing. The first thing that is missing is a mute button on the microphone, and the second thing that is missing is the volume or gain on the microphone. Now, this isn't the end of the world because these features are missing on a lot of microphones under $40. Sometimes you'll get a volume button, sometimes you'll get a mute button, but I haven't seen one yet under $40 that has both a mute and a volume button on it. And like I said, it's not the end of the world. Most of the time you can control these through your applications, be it either in-game settings, OBS settings, or just your microphone settings within Zoom or Microsoft Teams or whatever video chat application you may be using it for. Now, as for the sound, keep in mind the Tonor TC30 USB microphone costs about $35 as of this recording on Amazon. So if you're expecting studio quality sound, you're not getting the right microphone. But also for studio quality sound, you need a DAC, an amp, and a whole bunch of other equipment that, quite frankly, it's going to cost you a lot more than $35. Now, that being said, the Tonor TC30 sounds great just right out of the box. And how great do you say? Well, listen up.
Alright, so here's how the Tonor TC30 sounds without any kind of noise treatment or anything like that. And if you're enjoying this, you should probably like the video and subscribe to PinkyTech.
Now, as you can hear in that clip, there was a lot of background noise and a lot of hum and hiss in it. And there's two reasons for that. First off, there is no noise suppression built into this microphone. However, you could use noise suppression in like OBS or NVIDIA Broadcast to get rid of some of that background noise. The second thing that you're hearing is with that hum or hissing sound that's in the background is because the volume was set to 100%. Like I said, this was out of the box settings here. So I would strongly recommend using some kind of noise compression like either the OBS or NVIDIA Broadcast, as well as just turning down the volume inside of whatever application you're using. And keep in mind, if you're using Zoom or Microsoft Teams, WebEx, things of that nature for meetings, they all have noise suppression built into them, so that should help with some of that sound as well. And so if you just add that noise suppression filter like this,
and this is how the Tonor TC30 sounds with the background removal filter using NVIDIA Broadcast. And you should still subscribe to PinkyTech if you haven't already.
You can see it sounds a lot better already. Now, you can hear a little bit of a hum or a hiss from my ceiling fan that was running at the time, but keep in mind, if you're gaming or streaming, that stuff would be covered up already. And I know that because I asked some randoms in game and they said the microphone sounded great. And if randoms say anything nice to you in game, you have to believe that because most of the time they just say bad things and you don't chat with them because they say bad things to you and they're mean. Sad. Now, the one thing I would recommend is if you are going to pick up the Tonor TC30, I would actually go ahead and get the boom arm for the microphone as well. So it will mount to a boom arm. It does take any standard 5/8 inch adapter or head or screw thingy, whatever they call it. But it will fit onto any boom arm that actually has a 5/8 inch head, and you should be good to go there. And that's going to allow you to get the microphone closer to your face, allow you to take down the volume on there and get rid of the hum and the hiss. And with all that put together, this is what your audio could sound like.
And this is what the Tonor TC30 sounds like using NVIDIA Broadcast to muffle out and do the noise suppression, as well as turning the gain down on the microphone and just bringing it closer to my mouth. And sub to PinkyTech.
So I do recommend that you actually get this microphone with the boom arm, and that'll allow you to get it closer to your face. You can turn that volume down, and it makes it sound like a microphone worth twice the price. But Tonor, don't go raising the price of the microphone because I said that. I'll have Amazon affiliate links for all that stuff down in the description box below so you can check that out. And if you're looking for other parts and gear reviews, check out this playlist over here. That should help you out. As always, if you want to talk more, leave a comment down below. Make sure you tag Tonor and thank them for actually sending me the product. Join the PinkyTech Discord server. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.